In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Perplexity thread to Microsoft Word. If you're like many people, you probably have a ton of valuable insights and threads compiled in Perplexity, and sometimes you want to save these threads in a Word document for easier reference or sharing. We're going to walk through the steps to do this smoothly, and I'll provide some useful tips along the way. To begin, you'll want to open your internet browser and head over to Google. Simply type Perplexity into the search bar and hit Enter. Perplexity is a useful tool that helps organize information and will navigate our way to exporting data from it. Look for the official Perplexity website in the search results and go ahead and click on the link. It's usually one of the top results, making it easy to spot. Once you're on the Perplexity homepage, take note of the menu on the screen. You'll want to locate the option labeled Home and give it a click. Following this, find and click on View All. This will show you a comprehensive list of all the threads in your library, making it easy to manage and export specific ones you're interested in. Now that you're viewing all your threads, take a moment to identify the particular thread you want to export. Once you've made your choice, click on it to open it fully. This step ensures that you're exporting exactly what you need. You wouldn't want to export the wrong thread by mistake. Next, glance over to the top right corner of the thread you've opened. You should spot a 3-dotted line, which represents more options. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu holds the key to exporting your file. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option to export as DOSX. This is the format used by Microsoft Word, allowing for full compatibility when accessing your thread later. Click on Export as DOSX, and voila, your thread will begin downloading as a Word document. Keep in mind where your downloads typically appear on your computer. This way, you can easily locate your newly downloaded file. And there you have it. The thread is now accessible as a Word document. This saved version allows you to edit, share, or print with ease, ideal for when you need to work offline or distribute your findings to others. Remember, converting your threads to Word format can not only help in organizing your information, but also in offering the flexibility to collaborate and document effectively. Thank you for following along with today's guide on exporting Perplexity threads to Microsoft Word. Make sure to give this method a try the next time you want to keep a record of your Perplexity insights. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical tech tips and guides. See you in the next video.